Good morning and good afternoon, kids. This is Teacher Gigi. How are you today? All right. So for today, we're going to learn about science. Before we start, can you please get your workbook and open it on page 2? All right. Let's start. So for today's topic, we're going to continue what we have learned last week, which is the classification of living things. Okay, again, when we say living things, we have three: plants, animals, and other living things. Alright, so before we continue, let's have a review. Number one, we have plants. Okay, again, when we say plants, they are the autotroph. Again, can you say autotroph? Good job. What is an autotroph? Autotroph are living things that can make own food. Again, when we say autotroph, these are the living things that can make their own food. These are the living things that needs the sun, water, air, and the soil. Very good. Again, when we say autotroph, these are the living things that can make their own food. Good job. Next, we have immobile. Again, can you say immobile? Good job. These are the living things that unable to move from one place to another by themselves. So just like plants, trees, flowers, fruits, and vegetables, they cannot run, cannot fly, cannot walk, or cannot jump. Alright, very good. So next we have animals. Okay, so number two we have animals. So when we say animals, these are the living things that cannot make their own food. Again, when we say animals, they cannot make their own food. So what do you call living things that cannot make their own food? So they are called as the heterotroph. Again, everybody, can you say heterotroph? Good job. Alright, next, animals are called as mobile. Again, can you say mobile? Good job. So mobile are able to move from one place to another by themselves. Okay, when we say mobile, these are living things that can run, can fly, can jump, and can walk. Very good. Next, let's go to our next topic, which is the other living things. Okay, before that, let's have what do animals eat? So number one, we have herbivore. Again, can you remember what is an herbivore? Good job. Herbivore are animals that only eat. What do they eat? Very good. They only eat plants. As you can see, these animals are all eating plants. So we have cow, goat, deer, horse, elephant, zebra, llama, gorilla, tortoise, and panda. Next, number two, we have carnivore. Okay, can you tell teacher what is a carnivore? Very good. So carnivore are animals that only eat meat. Very good. Again, carnivores are animals that only eat meat. So for example is lion, dolphin, cheetah, jaguar, lynx, wild dog, and mink. Very good. And the last one, what do you call animals that eat plants, and meat. Alright, very good. They are called as omnivore. Very good. Again, can you say omnivore? Good job. Omnivore are living things that eat plants and meat. So what are the examples of omnivore? We have human, chimpanzee, dog, rat, monkey, and brown bear. Okay, good job. So next, let's go now to the other living things. So number one we have is fungi. Okay, can you say fungi? Very good. So fungi do not have chlorophyll to carry out photosynthesis. Okay, again, they don't have chlorophyll to carry out photosynthesis. So fungi are called as the decomposer. Again, fungi are called as the decomposer. So why are they called as decomposer? Because mostly fungi eat dead animals, dead plants, or other dead organisms. So what are the examples of fungi? So number one, we have mushroom. This is mushroom. Number two, we have mold. And number three, we have yeast. Again, decomposer eats dead living things. Alright, very good. Next, number two, we have bacteria. Okay, everybody, can you say bacteria? Very good. So bacteria are very small living things that we cannot see them with naked eye. We cannot see with our naked eye. So how do we see bacteria? We can see bacteria using microscope. Very good. So there are good and bad bacteria. So some bacteria can cause diseases. It can make you sick. Alright, very good. And the last one type of other living thing is algae. Everybody, can you say algae? Very good. So algae can carry out photosynthesis like plants. Algae do not have parts like leaves, roots, and stems. Example of algae are seaweeds and kelps. Okay, so this is what you call kelps, and this one is what you called as seaweed. Okay, so unlike fungi, algae can do photosynthesis. So why? Because they have chlorophyll. Very good. Okay. Again, what are the three types of living things? We have plants, animals, and other living things. Okay, good job everyone. Let's do the work. So last week, last week you have answered page 3 and 4, right? Okay, get your workbook. So last week you answered page 3, letter A, B, C, D, E, F. So now let's try to answer letter G, H, I, and J. So again, for example, you're going to write the correct answer. So let's try to answer letter G. The fungi cannot carry out photosynthesis because they do not have what? Okay, very good. They do not have. Very good. They do not have chlorophyll. Okay, you're going to write it on the blank. Okay. Chlorophyll. Okay, very good. Same goes to letter H, I, and J. You're going to write the correct answer on the blank. Okay, next. Page number, page number 5. Numbers 3 and 4. Numbers 3 and 4, let's try to answer. So number 3, the sentence below are incorrect. Replace the underlined words to correct them. So these underlined words like the omnivore, heterotroph, herbivore, roots, and immobile are not correct. So you're going to write here in the arrow box what is the correct answer. So for example, letter A, goat, deer, and butterfly are omnivores. Again, when we say omnivores, these are animals that eat plants and meat. So what does goat, deer, and butterfly eat? Very good. They eat plants. So omnivore is not correct. You're going to change it as very good. Omnivore is not the correct answer, right? So you're going to write the correct answer, which is herbivore. Very good. Goat, deer, and butterfly are herbivore. Good job. Okay, next. Number 4. The living things listed below are found in a forest. Based on living things above, complete the following table. So number or letter A, we have rabbit. So what is a rabbit? Good job. You're going to write herbivore. So what does rabbit eat? They eat plants. Good job. So for example, lion. What is a lion? Is he carnivore, omnivore, or herbivore? Good job. He is a carnivore. So what does lions eat? Lion eats meat. Very good. Okay, did you understand? Good job. Okay, next. Number 14. Okay, so you're going to put circle. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Okay, the animal shown below eats what? So this is an eagle. So what does eagle eat? What do eagles eat? A, leaves, B, meat, C, nuts, D, fruit. What is the correct answer? Okay, very good. Letter B. Good job. Okay, letter B. Eagle eat meat. Very good. Okay, you're going to put circle. Okay. Another one. Okay, let's try number 10. Which of the following is matched correctly? Bamboo, heterotroph, yeast, autotroph, omnivore, algae, caterpillar, herbivore. So which is the correct answer? Okay, very good. Letter D, caterpillar. They are herbivore. Okay, very good. Again, you're going to write circle. Okay, good job. Good job, everyone. I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.